Good day. We are the Group 5, and we will be discussing the Mesoamerican Revolution. The word Meso means middle, and these American cultures are the early advanced civilizations of Mexico and Central America. It has developed three great civilizations: the Olmec, the Maya, and the Aztecs. The first great civilization of Mesoamerica is the Olmec. The Olmec were the first complex society in the region. The Olmec developed the first written language and numbering system in Mesoamerica. It built cities and acquired great wealth. They left amazing artifacts like this jade mask and this giant head, which is just one of the many enormous heads left by the Olmec in the region. The second civilization is the Maya. The Maya flourished with their great cities from about 250 CE until around 1400. They covered southern Mexico, Guatemala, and Honduras. They had a highly developed written language and mathematics. Plus, they had an amazing knowledge of astronomy. Their cities were amazing urban centers. They included amazing pyramids like this from Tikal, one of the largest sites left of the Maya. Also, most people were farmers. Men farmed while women turned the crops into food. The last civilization is the Aztecs. The Aztecs settled into Mexico in the late 1200. The Aztec Empire became wealthy from collecting taxes. They also contributed in developing an accurate calendar and established schools. The Mesoamerican intellectual revolution was widely accepted because of its contributions. These are engineering, agriculture, science, accurate calendar, and established schools. Mesoamerica was the site of two of the most profound historical transformations in world history. First, we have the primary urban generation, and second, we have the formation of New World cultures of the long encounters among indigenous, European, African, and Asian cultures. Strong cultural influences stemming from the Mesoamerican Revolution contributed to the cultural development we now apply today. The founding culture of Mesoamerica lasted from about 1400 BCE to 100 BCE. It produced nearly imperishable art and notably large carved heads of volcanic rocks. The cultures were enriched with constant trade, and a combination of knowledge and social customs were created. These historical transformations were inherited from generation to generation until today. Now, these are some of the many values that are present in the Mesoamerican Revolution. Priests were highly respected individuals. The Maya people believed their priests could talk to their gods. The priests told the people what the gods had said. No matter what's your class, there was no arguing with the gods. A high value of learning existed in Mesoamerica. It came from the support of the very intelligent philosophers and engineers. That's why they prioritized education. Lastly, they gave importance to agriculture, where they use astrological cycles in planting and harvesting. Mayans also developed technology for growing different crops and building elaborate cities using ordinary machineries and tools. Now that is the end of our presentation. We hope you learned something. Thank you.